are elevator bank B. She is St. Elizabeth Hospital, Youngstown, Ohio. Got some vintage Otis Lexans. Let's see.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Seeing you just waiting for these things to come. Here it is. The cats have been updated, but look at this.
You sure can.
Thank you.
What floor?
3.
And Lexan's here. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Otis.
It's
All
very
original.
courteous of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Seven. Here you go.
Sir?
You're welcome. Here are 8. Door close button works. These things are awesome, man. Even though the cab is not original to the elevators here, these things are supposedly still original. Going down?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
What floor?
1.
Okay. Just filming the elevators here. Stopping at 5.
Will I bother you if I answer the
No,
phone?
no.
No?
Going down?
Yes, sir.
What floor?
3, please.
Alrighty, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Seven, 4.
I had to go pee.
On down. 3?
Yeah, it's going down. The 3's the next stop.
Are you going to 2 or are you going? I'm going to 3.
Possibly, sure.
2?
Yeah.
3.
Thank you.
She did tell me that.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay.
Two.
It'll come back.
And we're going down 1.
Where you?
Switch is long now.
Well, with Karen. Right? Because then that room change happening.
I guess that's gonna be it.